Challenger Pallet is the largest pallet manufacturer in the Intermountain West. We go through over 5 million board feet a month, producing over 250,000 new pallets and used pallets in that same period. We produce over 6 trailer loads of horse bedding and animal bedding. So on our used pallet recovery system, we purchase used pallets from grocery and other industries where we'll take that pallet, we'll bring it in trailer loads at a time, run them through our sorting system and sort out the good pallets and pallets that need to be repaired, and then those pallets that have no other use for them, they're broken up too much to reuse again. So we'll disassemble those in our system. We'll break those pallets down, cut them back to a usable, marketable size. The wood waste then will, those things that we can't use, we'll send those in through the Rotochopper and grind that up and make it into animal bedding. Since 1992, we've been grinding with other stationary grinders. As our recycling business has evolved, we started to reach out and look for machinery that could handle a whole pallet at a time, or could handle a whole dumpster of material at a time versus our other stationary grinders that just couldn't handle that. And so we went out looking and shopped through all the different grinder systems. We found that Rotochopper had really pushed forward in meeting the needs of the pallet industry and all of our variable cuts of wood, no matter what length, no matter what size. And we had experienced other grinders that just weren't handling it that way. When we first started looking at the Rotochopper, we also have another stationary grinder from another manufacturer, and we'd had some issues with that, and so we knew what we were looking for in what our next grinder would be. So as we went through the Rotochopper, and we wanted to make sure that we were going to have no waste load going out the back end, a lot of waste going on the ground, and the Rotochopper design has got us right where we want to be, where we have less cleanup and issues like that. We have another EC machine on order with Rotochopper that will be coming to us later in this year. We will be setting it up similar to the way our Ogden facility is set up. We're excited about it because it'll be able to eliminate an operator. It'll run on its own. We're not going to have to worry about it with all the controls and the safety features of the EC machine. We know that we're going to be totally protected and covered if an issue goes down. So we're going to update and replace a current hammer hog down in Idaho Falls. And so our relationship with Rotochopper has been, I think, of all the different manufacturers that we deal with, we rate them in our top 10. They've stood behind any issues we've had with the grinder and our loading system. We've had mechanics here when we've had any kind of issue that couldn't be handled over the phone, that where people couldn't handle. Been very pleased, and the machine has done everything that they said it would do, and so we're very, very satisfied.